Hello, KB, and welcome to our logic lesson of the day. I'm going to show you something new again today, and it's something very exciting for us because it's a type of thing that we have not learned about yet. So I'm very excited to practice it with you and teach you all about it in today's video. So I want to show you what this is first. Check it out. On the screen, you see two letters, and they're two letters that we know. You see the letter S and the letter P. Now, this is a new type of thing for us. This, my friends, is called a consonant blend. Can you say consonant blend? Good. Notice this is not a consonant digraph. You might have wanted to say that right away because we've learned about two consonant digraphs so far. But this is something different. This is called a consonant blend. Now, let me tell you what that means, because we will learn about many consonant blends in logic for the rest of the year. So, this consonant blend has the letter S and the letter P. When we have a blend, the two sounds for the letters slide together. You can hear both sounds when we have a consonant blend. Let me say that again because it's very important. You can hear both of the letter sounds when we have our blends. With our digraphs, we get a brand new sound, but with our blend, we still hear them both. We just kind of slide them together on one finger when we're fingerspelling. So when we see this consonant blend, SP, we're going to say sp. Let me make that sound again. Sp. You try to make it. Say sp. Good. You can hear the sound for S, which is S, and the sound for P, which is P, sliding together. Sp. We still hear them both, so blends are a little bit easier than digraphs, I think. Now, when we read words with this blend, we just have to notice the blend, and we have to slide those sounds onto one finger. And I'm going to show you what that looks like next. Check out our first word with our blend. At the beginning of this word, you can see SP. There's our blend. So the first sound we're going to make when we read this word is sp. Listen to me read it. Sp, n, spin. The word spin starts with our new consonant blend SP. And notice when I finger spelled, that sound went on my thumb. Sp, n, spin. Will you go ahead and try that for me? Go ahead. Awesome. Spin. Sp, n, spin. Good. Let's take a look at another word. All right. Once again, you see our new blend SP at the beginning. Now, put your thumb up. I want to try this one at the same time with you. So let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. Spot. Spot. The word spot starts with our blend sp. Then we hear aw and t for T at the end. Spot. Will you try that word one more time? Good. Spot. Spot. Now, this blend can also come at the end of our words. So here, we don't see SP at the beginning, we see it as the last sound at the end. And that's okay, we're still going to do the same thing. When we get to S and P, we'll say sp. Let's try this one together. Go ahead and put your thumb up and let's read. W, I, sp, wisp. Try that all by yourself. Good. W, I, sp, wisp. W is making its consonant sound W. I is the vowel. It's saying I in the middle. And here's our blend. Sp for SP. Wisp. Nice job. Let's take a look at another word that has our blend at the end. Here it is. Put your thumb up and try this one all by yourself. Go ahead. Nice job. This word is lisp. Lisp. Do it one more time. Good. Lisp has L at the beginning saying ul. I is the vowel saying I, and then sp at the end. Lisp. Very, very, very good job. Let's take a look at the 4 words we just read with our new blend. Remember, SP says sp, just like in the words spin, spot, wisp, and lisp. You're doing a great job. Let's keep it up. Next, we're going to spell some of these words with our new blend, SP. We're going to do 3 of them. The first 2 are going to have the blend sp at the beginning. The last one will have the blend sp at the end. Okay? So I want you to finger spell them, write them on your board, and make sure you're writing SP for the sound sp. Are you ready? Okay. Your first word is the word spud. Please say spud. Fingerspell spud and write the sounds you hear on your board. All right. Let's see how you did. Here's the word spud. When I fingerspell, I hear the words or hear the sounds spud, spud. So on my board, I need to write SP for our blend sp. Our vowel sound is so I write U, and in the last sound, I hear D for D. SPUD spells spud. 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 Okay, if you have SPUD for spud on your board, you can erase it and we'll try another. All right, my friends, your next word is the word spit. Spit. Please say spit. Think about the sounds you hear and go ahead and write them on your board. Okay, let's see if you got the word spit. When I fingerspell spit, the sounds I hear are sp, it, spit. So I think about the sounds I hear, and I notice that we have our blend sound for SP saying sp at the beginning. Our vowel sound is the sound I, which is our short vowel sound for I, and then I hear t at the end, so I write T. SPIT is sp, it, spit. All right, KB, you're doing a wonderful job. The last word we're going to spell is going to have that blend sound at the end. Okay? Your last word is the word wisp. Wisp. This is one of the words we read today. So go ahead, say wisp. Think about the sounds you hear, fingerspell it, and write it on your board. Wisp. All right, let's check it. Here's the word wisp. When I fingerspell the sounds, I hear wisp, wisp. So on my board, I write W for w. I hear I in the middle, which is our short sound for the vowel I, and sp at the end. So I write SP. Wisp, wisp. Okay, let's go back to the beginning and talk about what we learned today. We learned our first consonant blend. SP is a consonant blend. The letters S and P are both consonants. Their sounds are S and P. When we have a consonant blend, we slide those two sounds together. So when we see this blend, SP, we make the sound sp, sp, sp. And we practiced with our blend in a few words. Remember, this blend can come at the beginning of words or at the end for us. And we saw it at the beginning in words like spin and spot. We saw it at the end in words like wisp and lisp. You did a really great job practicing with a consonant blend for the very first time. We will keep learning about this blend when we're at school. And like I said, we will learn many consonant blends in our class during the rest of our logic practice. Thanks, everyone.